Hello and welcome back to my channel, and those who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. बहुत दिन हो गया I have not talked about my life even though my life में कुछ नहीं चल रहा and I have not spilled so tea. क्या करूँ हूँ मैं थोड़ी lazy. So आज I'm gonna talk about something I think we can relate. Today's topic is the second choice. Second choice? Are you the second choice? I am the second choice. Are you the second choice? I am the second choice. Well, whatever. You get the point. Spill some beans about how I am the second choice in most of the people's life. And if you can relate to me, we are in the same boat. If you can't, you are lucky. Oh yeah, and also I'm gonna do some skincare with me. Let's start today's spill the tea. The second choice. So my question to you is, have you ever felt like you have been left out from your own close friend circle, or there is a group within your close friend group which you are not aware of? Maybe your parents don't like to share important info with you, but to your adult sibling. Maybe your friends keep secrets from you even though you tell them everything. Then my friend, we both are in the same boat. And if you have not felt like that, congratulations, you are the chosen one. So story time. कहाँ से शुरू करें? स्कूल से शुरू करें, where it all begins. Let's do it. Back to school. वैसे तो प्राइमरी स्कूल में आई वॉज वेरी इंट्रोवर्ट, तो मेरे एक दो जो फ्रेंड थे और उनके भी कोई फ्रेंड नहीं थे, तो हम लोग लाइक सेम थे. मिडिल स्कूल आई वॉज टॉकिंग टू लिटरली एवरी वन, एंड फिर भी वी डोंट टॉक टू एवरी वन अबाउट एवरीथिंग, राइट? हम सबसे बात करते पर हम अपना सीक्रेट सबसे शेयर नहीं करते. सो वी हैड अ ग्रुप ऑफ लाइक, ग्रुप में वी यूज टू टॉक अबाउट एवरीथिंग, लाइक कौन किसका क्रश है, किसका किसके साथ डेटिंग चल रहा है, किसका किसका प्यार चल रहा है, क्या क्या कांड हुआ है स्कूल में, सब. एंड आई रिमेंबर जब मैं क्लास 9 या 10 में थी, तो वी हैड दिस 4 पीपल का ग्रुप, एंड वी वर सो क्लोज दैट वी शेयर एवरीथिंग विद ईच अदर. इवन दो हमारे लाइफ में कितना कुछ चलता था, वी यूज टू शेयर एवरीथिंग. कहानी में ट्विस्ट, I didn't knew everything about them, but they knew everything about me. In the circle of 4 close friends, one of my friend used to like a guy जो मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था, because he was, but that guy was dedicated enough. I mean इतना dedicated लड़का मुझे अभी मिल जाए तो, उसको वो प्रपोज भी कर चुका था, and she rejected her many times, and she was like, यार आयुश्री, ये बंदा मेरे को कितना बार प्रपोज कर रहा है, उससे अच्छा लड़का मिल जाएगा, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके, बट वो लड़का ही वाज लाइक सो डाउन बैड, लाइक ही वाज, नहीं भाई मेरे को तो ये लड़की चाहिए, मैं डेट करूँगा तो इसे ही करूँगा. सो आई न्यू इट, एंड सी वाज लाइक नहीं यार मुझे पसंद नहीं है ये वो ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. थिंग इज वो उसको आई थिंक क्लास 7th में प्रपोज किया था, और वो क्लास 9 तक ही वांटेड टू डेट हर. एक साल ही वॉज लाइक सो डेडिकेटेड फॉर हर. आई मीन लाइक कूल, राइट? बट एट द एंड ऑफ क्लास 8 मुझे पता चला कि सी स्टार्टेड डेटिंग हिम. मेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड थी, एंड सी डिडंट टोल्ड मी अबाउट इट. तुम्हारी क्लासमेट आके बोल रही है कि वन ऑफ योर क्लोज फ्रेंड्स इज डेटिंग द गाय यू हेट. इट्स ओके इफ सी डेट हिम, मतलब इट्स नॉट लाइक वो उसका लव लाइफ है, बट सी वॉज लाइक मुझे वो पसंद ही नहीं. टोल्ड मी कि मुझे वो पसंद नहीं. एंड देन सम क्लासमेट ऑफ योर्स इज टेलिंग यू दैट नहीं भाई दे आर डेटिंग एंड सी डिडंट टोल्ड यू, एंड सी सेड टू एवरी वन टू नॉट टू टेल मी. वुड बी शॉकिंग, वुड बी इमोशनली ड्रेनिंग. सी हैज टोल्ड एवरी वन टू नॉट टेल मी बिकॉज आई विल फील बैड. If you like him, then tell me you like him. And I feel like it's okay if she's dating him because it's not my love life, it's her love life. But at least she should have told me about it. मुझे कोई क्लासमेट आके क्यों बोलेगी कि they are dating? I felt bad. Just a small incident, और इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा दुखी होने का बात नहीं था. But it has occurred to me after that कि बहुत सारे लोग मुझसे बहुत कुछ छुपाते थे. And I was like a open book. मैं सब कुछ, मुझसे जो बोलना था मैं सब कुछ बोल देती थी. एंड मे बी दैट्स वाई वो मुझसे छुपाते थे. मोर आई ग्रू अप, द मोर आई रियलाइज दैट इट्स ओके इफ ही डिडंट टोल्ड यू अबाउट इट. आई मीन उसका अगर मन करेगा देन शी विल टेल मी. इफ शी इज़ नॉट कम्फर्टेबल देन व्हाई शी विल टेल मी. सपोज ए एब्सेंट है एंड वी आर लाइक ABC, एंड ए एब्सेंट है, देन B विल हैंग आउट विथ मी. और इफ देयर इज लाइक B and C, वी आर स्टिल वेरी क्लोज, Like even in college, जब B and C were we were very close, but when A entered, that B was automatically like drawn towards C. It's important to have secrets, it's important to have distance. और ये मुझे कॉलेज में आकर रियलाइज़ हुआ. अब कॉलेज में क्या हुआ, दैट वॉज अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी. दैट्स अ होल टुगेदर लाइक रियलाइजेशन, रेमिनाइजेशन इज लाइक वॉट. उसके जितने भी फ्रेंड्स थे, हाउ एवर दे वर वेरी लाइक big good and very like kind towards each other. Like we used to like at least support each other. We used to have this unity. We used to have this unity between each other and we used to not bitch about others. But just college में हुआ है, I mean that opened my eyes literally. What just happened? Oh, wait, this is my cat Oreo. Say hi to Oreo. Oreo, hi. Okay, okay. Baby, I just adopted a cat. I rescued a cat. And मेरे घर में बहुत सारी बिल्लियाँ रही है. And this is one of them. One of baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. The more I grew up, the more I realized that it's okay to let go. And my only best friend right now is this Oreo. Okay. Oreo is my only best friend. So the more I grew up, the more I realized it's okay to let go. I have adopted a lot of cats in my past, like from the cat distribution system. Like there was this female cat who came to my house and we started feeding her. So ये बिल्ली रोज़ मेरे घर आती थी and we started feeding her milk, biscuit, blah. And then she gave babies in my house. Then her baby gave a baby. So it's been a generation of cat in my house. But a year ago, his last generation was a cat. My only cat. His name was Chiku. He died, or he just left, and he was missing. I didn't found him again. He was like 3 years old, 2 or 3 years old, and he just went missing. Which was sad because 3 साल तक he was with us, and whenever a cat or whenever an animal leaves us, we feel very bad. So after this, we adopted Oreo, as you can see, an orange cat. So we adopted him, and it's been 3 days since he is adopted, and I don't know. I just feel more connected to a cat than a dog because I think my behavior is also very cat-like. That's that. I was talking about the more I grew up, the more I knew it's okay to let go. It's okay to leave things behind. It's okay to have secrets, and it's okay for me to let things go. College में तो I never had that friendship bond that I used to have in school. कॉलेज में तो सबको अपने अपने से मतलब था. कॉलेज का कम कॉलेज में no extracurricular activities, no feelings involved, and I used to have this friend, this great friend, but it was not that close. I was not that close to her, but I was close with my PG mates. I was very close to my PG members, and what happened there was a altogether different story. कॉलेज में आकर मुझे और रियलाइज़ हुआ कि the more you keep secrets, the better. If the person, it's okay to express yourself, but don't over-express yourself. All I want to say is, like, be yourself. Of course, be yourself. Nobody is stopping you to be yourself, but don't overshare. Don't overshare. Don't express everything you have in your heart. Keep something for yourself, and just go with the flow. If they treat you right, treat them right. If they treat you trash, treat them trash. That's my motto. That's how I act with people now. If they treat you nice, be very nice to them. But if they treat you like some trash, be a biggest trash for them. Let them regret every life decision they have ever had. So always अच्छा होना is not a good thing, because मैंने अच्छा होके बहुत अच्छा होके देखा है, and people take you for granted. अगर अच्छे हो जाओगे, people will take you for granted, like ये तो ये काम कर ही देगी, ये तो ये कर ही देगी, and she will always be with me even though मैं उसके कितना भी hurt करूँ. But I just started becoming more of a person Like if you treat me like second choice, I will treat you like second choice. And just remember, the first choice you have is yourself, not someone else. You don't need someone else to define who you are. You don't need someone else to like make you feel happy. That's all for today's Spill the Tea. And I know a lot of us have faced this second choice option, but always remember, your first choice is yourself. For me, my first choice is myself, not my friends, not my parents, because at the end of the day, we are all alone to ourselves. If you liked my video, do subscribe, like and share my video, because I need motivation to make more videos. Like मैं इतनी आलसी हूँ, I don't like to make videos for people if they don't watch. I mean, you know what. Show me love by subscribing, liking and sharing my channel so that I can make more content which are relatable and which are more creative. I will try to learn from it. Even though मैं बहुत आलसी हूँ, I don't like to do stuff like that. I am so, मुझे रिकॉर्ड करने में मेरी मौत आ जाती है भाई, मुझे रिकॉर्ड करना पड़ेगा. And but I don't make a script. I just speak what I think. That's all. So please show me love by liking, subscribing, and that's all for today. Bye besties.